Amazing eggnog with a little bit of a kick. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Hi, my name is Nadine from Top Nosh, and today I would like to cook with you an amazing eggnog with a little bit of a kick. So I have all my ingredients ready and we're going to combine this in a nice big pot. This recipe will give us plus minus 2.5 liters, so you see you can invite your whole family. So we will need the following ingredients. We will need 4 cups of milk, which is equally 1 liter milk. We will need 1 liter cream. 1 cup of sugar. If you like it sweeter, you could give it 1.5 sugar. I just don't like it so sweet. Cinnamon sticks, I'm using 3 of them, or you could use cinnamon powder. Sticks are nicer. 3 cloves. Star Aniseed, 3 of them as well. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, or I'm using vanilla paste, which is giving a better flavor. And we're going to use 2 cups or 2.5 cups of rum. If you don't want it so strong with the alcohol, you can go less, or you can knock yourself completely out if you're adding some more. We need 12 egg yellows. So that's all what we need, and let's start cooking. First, we have to combine our milk into a nice big pot, and we will give it some flavor. So we're adding all our spices into the pot. Oh, not to forget, the clove is best when it's pricked open, so that's when you get all your flavors out. So this we will put onto the stove and bring it to the boil while we're busy mixing our other ingredients. I'm just going to use the whisk to quickly stir everything up, and then I'm going to leave my milk in peace. Let's now combine my egg yellow with my sugar. I'm using caster sugar because caster sugar is finer and it will dissolve better. And before I'm adding my sugar to my egg yellow, I'm going to mix my egg yellow because otherwise it would burn the egg yellow. And you don't want to have a crystalness inside when you have your lovely eggnog. So we want to mix this well so that it becomes like lighter in color as well. So the better it mixed, that means the sugar has better dissolved. Little tip, you might think, oh, let me just put the sugar in the milk to dissolve the milk. You don't want to do that. You actually want to foam the egg yellow, otherwise you won't get the volume. Okay. So I'm going to leave this now like this and wait for my milk to be boiled up, and then I'm just going to give it 1 more 2 stirs, and then we will start combining this. My milk flavored mixture has come to a boil, so now I'm just going to take some out into a jug so it's easier for me to combine the two instead of just pouring it straight onto the egg yellow, because the egg yellow is very cold and the milk is hot, and if you're pouring it too quickly you might just end up with scrambled eggs, so that's what you don't want. So I'm just using roughly half of the amount. So while you're pouring your hot milk mixture into your eggs, you have to stir your egg yellows. So now I have half of the mixture here and half of the mixture is still in the pot. So now I'm pouring my egg yellow milk mixture into the pot, and we have to put heat on again. So this part is also called tempering the egg. So we are going to apply heat again, but we're going to use a spatula on a low heat, and we're going to stir it while it is cooking the egg yellow so that it starts to get thick. Let's start. In the beginning, you might think nothing will happen, so don't be fooled by that. Keep stirring, don't walk away from your pot, and maybe rather do this on a lower temperature, and it takes longer than actually having scrambled egg at the end. So this took us around 5 minutes, and we're still in the last process. It's almost ready to be strained. Just always make sure you're scraping the base of the pot so nothing can burn. And let's pour this very quickly in our strainer. Hot. If you have ever any stage think, oh my god, it's starting to curdle, don't worry, it will come back together. Even if you use a hand blender, sometimes you have to like fix it up, but most of the time it will work. You can use a ladle, makes life a bit easier. At any stage when you feel it's too hot and you need to cool it down quickly, you could put this bowl into an ice bowl to cool it down quicker. I think this one is fine, so I'm gonna just stir it and put my cream and rum in, but if you are desperate and you want to drink it very quickly, you can cool it down on ice as well. I decided to cool it down on ice water because it does cut your time a little bit in half. So just this nice big bowl with ice, and put your mixture into it, and you have to keep stirring in between. You don't have to set up, so in the meanwhile you could clean your kitchen, and once it's cooled down slightly, then we can add our cream and our rum. Let's now add our cream and our rum. Makes you nice and tipsy. Now it just needs to chill for a few hours, and then it's ready to drink. I decided to add a little bit more extra cinnamon, as it is Christmas around the corner and it always goes well. So another pinch. It has cooled down nicely, so I'm going to pour this into my jug and then into the bottle. It will still thicken up, so it's not going to stay as runny, and then we're ready. You can make this as a lovely Christmas gift or any other gift if you don't drink everything yourself. So any bottle will do to fill it up. And voila, my eggnog is finished. Cheers and happy holidays! I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.